Hello and welcome. In this video, we will acquire hands-on experience to create a virtual environment using Python. Let's work on the hands-on part of how to create a virtual environment. You may be having a Mac or Linux operating system or any server and cloud platform. In that scenario, follow the commands provided here to create the virtual environment, activate, deactivate, and remove the virtual environment. If you are on a Windows machine, I suggest using these lines of code to create virtual environment, activate, deactivate, and remove. The virtual environment we are creating is data underscore science underscore venv. You can change this virtual environment into your project name underscore venv. Before doing the hands-on, I want to show you an illustration. I'll be creating two virtual environments. The first virtual environment name is data underscore science underscore venv. The second one is finance underscore venv. In the first virtual environment, I will install Jupyter Notebook package, and in the second virtual environment, I'll install Yahoo Finance package. Request you to do is before installing the packages, check this folder, identify this folder, and see what are the contents in this folder. Next, install Jupyter Notebook and Yahoo Finance in the respective virtual environments and make your observations. Let's move on to the hands-on part of this session. You have a data science finance folder, which is empty. We are in a path of download slash data science finance folder. I'm creating a virtual environment using this command python 3.10 -m if you're on Mac or Linux operating systems. As soon as I enter on this, you'd be seeing a directory created here. The directory has been created here. In order to find the sites underscore package, click on this lib, check this Python 3.10. You find sites dash package folder. In bin directory, the Python interpreter version is Python 3.10. Let's go back to data science venv and activate the virtual environment. In order to activate the virtual environment, the command is source, use the directory, go to the bin, and in the bin you have activate executable. As soon as you enter this command, the prefix of your command line prompt will change to the virtual environment name. We have created a virtual environment by name data underscore science underscore venv in this line. Using this command, you got the virtual environment activated. Here you will be installing your packages. Now let's install the Jupyter package here. pip3 install Jupyter. As soon as I enter this, the site packages will be updated. I'll quickly show it to you. Now keep a track on the site packages. It's getting updated on the command prompt. As you see, Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab folders are being created in the site packages folder. As soon as the installation is done, you can see that a large number of Jupyter Notebook packages and its dependencies are installed. If you want to exit from this virtual environment, you need to deactivate. One of the reasons to use and be aware of deactivate command is you may be juggling between 2 or 3 different projects. You need to know how to move from one virtual environment to other virtual environment. In that case, deactivate comes quite handy. The next part of the illustration is to create a second virtual environment by name finance underscore venv. Let's do this. Python 3.10 dash m venv finance underscore venv. In this case, let's go back to this directory. So far, we have only data science underscore venv, a virtual environment that you have created. Now, finance underscore venv got created here. If you look at the site packages in live directory, you have basic folders. So if you go to the bin directory here, you'll have an activate. This activate file or executable will activate your virtual environment finance underscore venv. So now you can clearly see that finance underscore venv virtual environment is activated. Install the Yahoo Finance package. pip3 install yfinance. A suite of packages will be installed in your site packages. Let's give it a quick moment. Now you can see a suite of packages being installed and saved in this site packages directory. I have been doing everything in same command prompt, but change the virtual environments. We do not have Jupyter Notebook in finance virtual environment. Likewise, when we check data science virtual environment, there is no Yahoo Finance. This is how you achieve separation of packages installed in two different virtual environments.